Alam mo ba yung feeling na buong araw kang nagtatrabaho, pero kahit tapos na yung shift mo, parang nasa work ka pa rin? That's actually one of the reasons why I had this customized fish tank cabinet made. Hindi lang para gumanda yung workstation ko. I actually wanted to create a small space beside my workstation where I could pause, breathe, and look at something different from work.
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Before this, medyo kalat-kalat yung area. May aquarium, may mga gamit, may mga kung ano-anong nakalagay sa workstation ko. So, I decided to combine everything into one customized cabinet. Mas malinis, mas organized, and most importantly, nasa tabi siya ng workspace ko. So, habang nagtatrabaho ako, nandyan lang yung fish tank ko. And surprisingly, malaking bagay pala siya. Kapag sunod-sunod ang emails, meeting, deadlines, at kung may problema sa trabaho, minsan, di mo naman talagang kailangan tumayo or magbakasyon. Sometimes, you just need a 30 seconds reset. Titingin ako sa planted tank ko, pinapanood ko yung mga Raminose tetra ko at saka yung mga red eye tetra. Tinititigan ko yung cherry shrimp na parang walang pakialam sa problema ko. And for a few seconds, hindi muna ako employee. Hindi muna ako manager, hindi muna ako kailangan mag-solve ng problema ng ibang tao. I just pause, then balik ulit sa trabaho. And I realized something. You don't always have control how stressful your job is. You can't control every difficult customers. You can't control deadlines. You can't control every decision made by management. And sometimes you can't even control the people you work with. But you know what, mga papi? You can control the environment that you create around yourself. Kaya sobrang naniniwala ako that your workspace matters. Hindi kailangan maging expensive, hindi kailangan maging Instagram-worthy. Even something as simple as a clean desk, better lighting, a plant, or kung katulad ko kayo, a planted fish tank. Believe it or not, papi, this can give your brain a small signal na okay, pause muna tayo. Especially if you're working on a high-pressure environment. Don't wait until you're completely burned out before start taking care of yourself, papi. Stress management doesn't always have to mean taking a vacation. Minsan, it's about creating small moments throughout the day where you can rest. And for me, itong fish tank na to becomes those small moments. Hindi ko alam for you guys, pero sa akin, there's something oddly relaxing about watching fish swim around while you're trying to figure out why someone didn't follow the process for the third time. Anyway, back to work. So yes, I had this fish tank cabinet made to improve the look of my workspace and to reduce clutter. But honestly, I think I got something more valuable than that. I created a small reset button right beside my workstation. And maybe that's something that we should all do. Don't just organize your work. Organize your environment in a way that it helps you survive work. Kasi minsan, di naman natin talaga kailangan takasan ang trabaho natin. What we need is a small space to breathe before we get back to it. Yun lang mga papi. Thanks for watching. Till the next budol.
Peace.